In today's video, I'll show you how to level out your horizon lines quickly and easily using Photoshop. We'll start out by selecting the crop tool, and the shortcut for this tool is the C button. Towards the top of the screen, there's an option called Straighten. We can press this or simply hold the Command or Control key on a PC to activate this while the crop tool is on. Then we simply place a point at one end of our horizon and drag it to the other. Most of the time, it's that simple, and we can place a horizontal ruler down to check. Press the R key to bring your ruler numbers up, then click and drag from the numbers to pull a ruler onto the image. If we want to make further adjustments, we can rotate the image using our crop tool again. Click on the image to start the crop, and this time we'll place our mouse outside one of the corners. This will allow us to rotate the image.